Hi everyone, I am going to show you tutorial about making circuits in latex. So first we need a program which can do latex typesetting. I will use Text Studio. So Text Studio. So I will start from new template for the tutorial. So I take an article. So we will name it circuit tutorial and author is Pratyush. Let's make a title of the document. So I made how to make a circuit with latex. And now we had made the title how we make a circuit in latex, and here we will use a simple circuit using latex. We will need a package circuit TZ. We will use this package to make simple circuit with current source, resistors, inductors or capacitors. So first we will import the package. So we will use package tag, and we will write the name of the package. So first is the section is a basic circuit. Everything is working fine. So now we will make a circuit in figure environment. So let us start. As the thing is that circuit TZ is based on TXZ. So any TXZ statement or commands will work for this package. So I am going to draw a box, and for that box I will using draw command. It makes a line from 00 to 30. It has the coordinates. In similar way I have wrote all four coordinates. So this coordinate will make a rectangle. So here we go, and return it to 00 so that the box is closed, isn't it? So we got our box. Now we'll copy this and we'll modify this. So this time we will make box with a resistor. So we will include a component resistor. So on the wire, for example, 2, 3 and 30, we are including resistor. So we paste the square box there around 2 and wrote R. So the word R due to our package will make a resistor. Again we will modify this. This time we will attach a current source that is represented by I source. So putting a current source make it look like that. So box with resistors and current source. Now it has source and a resistor component, so it has become a circuit, isn't it? So now it's no longer a box, it is a circuit. So I will change the caption for once more. So the figure caption is circuit with resistor and current source. Once again we run, and now we have the circuit with resistors and current source. As you know, this TXZ has the only one statement line. If we need more than one line, we can use an environment. So the environment name is circuit TZ. We added a new environment, put the statements there, and cleared it. Now if we run this, it will be just same as the earlier. Now we have not to declare that using TXZ command. So in the circuit TZ, everything will work through circuit TZ package to draw circuit. Now we will make another branch. So we have copied this, and we doesn't want to make another current source, so we will So we will delete the I source part and change the coordinate of new branches. So it will start from 2 3 and end at 2 0. So now the circuit is formed and we can see the current source and two resistor in parallel. So now it modify it once again. We have seen that the current source is a circle, that is from the European convention. We want to change it American convention so that people who use circuit with another convention can also see it. Now we get an American convention circuit. So this was the current source and now this is the current source for American convention. So this now we will proceed again and this time we will add labels. So we have I source and R source, we will put equal to and circuit marker, that dollar sign for the R dash underscore 2 for R with subscript 2. Same thing we will do to first circuit and we will give it R1 name. So it is R underscore 1 and current source also will get its name, it is I0. So we gave it I. So I current is shown like this. Isn't it fine? Now we have replaced the name I of with the I0. So new name L is for the other form and I0 is for another current. So I is now renamed and not it is shown as the current. It is now beside the current source image and it is given name I0. Next we will add a sort part. We will write a current name again I0 to a sorted one, yani it is the middle of the branch. Without component we are placing names and we are attaching currents to R1 and R2, those resistance. So we put in a square bracket I1 and I2 there. This will name the current in those resistance component and also that sorted part. So these are the current on the branches will be shown through I underscore 2 for I2. Let us run. It is taking time. So now we can see I0 and there is I1 and I2 beside R1 and R2. This small I current is lower, is at the lower side. So I want to change it. For change it, the where we have put the tag I is equal to I1 in the component, we have to change it. So here that is given I2, we will put greater than an underscore sign. Same will put that the another branch current I1, we will put greater than sign and underscore. So we will run it. As you can see, the space gives an error, so you have to delete a space. Here I am placing before the greater than, I am deleting a space. So now space is removed, we can see the direction, the current in opposite direction. So now I1 and I2 are in above. Let us add node for short circuit. So this at the short dash and asterisk will make a connection of wire. Same we will try to put at another branch from 2 3 to here. We will sort and put this will make a block. No, now look at the here two connections or wire is made. So position was not correct, so I have to remove it from here and place it to another place. So if does it going to work here? This time connection as wire has come this place, so I have to put it beside resistance. Now resistor is there, we already have resistance, so we will not declare it as short. So we will put it here and remove it. Here we will remove this part also and run. Now wire correction is done correctly. Beside R1 at both point we have dot, so connection of wire is done. Now let us make a box for the showing the KCL. So here we got the KCL. Here we are going to do something. The current. Now we will attach a voltage name to I source. V is equal to V underscore 0. So now voltage source is added and current is done. So this completes our tutorial. So here are complete circuit. One is box with one with resistor, with box with resistor current source. Now we have the circuit. Now circuit current within European convention. Now we have the current in American convention. Circuit with the current source and label. Circuit with resistors and current source with the current labels. And now we have added a voltage name here to the current source, and now next is the box of the Kirchhoff current law and KCL.